Hey, Tech Like Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to organize list view in Asana. So if you're new to Asana or are struggling to work out how its features work, follow along with me. So to start with, you need to open up one of your projects. You can see I've got my first project open here. And if you look to the bottom, you can see you can switch between default views. So we have list at the start. We can change it to a board view, a calendar view, or a timeline view. But today we're going to look at the list view and look at all the different editing options. So you can see I have a to-do task list, doing and done. So this is a great way to organize your projects. So I can go in and edit these tasks. I can say something like write blog article, and then I can go across who is that assigned to. So at the moment it's got my name in. If I want to invite other teammates, I can invite them via email to work on this project with me. When I'm happy with that, I can go on to the next section, which is the due date. So today's date is in there. When is the finish date? So you can add in the finish date as well. And you could edit the priority. So by clicking the down arrow, is it low, medium, or high priority? So you can let yourself or whoever is working on this project with you the priority level. And then you can edit the status. So is the project on track? Is it at risk or is it off track? So these are just notes for yourself. So again, you can go in and edit each task. When a task is finished, you can tick it off and complete it. Or you can go in here to the details section. You can see it's completed now, and you can edit anything here. You could add a description, subtasks, and add attachments if you need to. So I can also go down. I can edit the tasks and add different tasks here. So doing, so what is one of your teammates doing? Are they posting on social media? So I can add that in there. If someone is doing that, I can assign this task to whoever is doing it. I can add the due date, and again I can add in the tasks that have been done. So there's so much you can do with a list view in Asana. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.